it was a question number 2.53. I was saying that now what they have given is that this much vapor pressure. They have given now we have to take standard vapor pressure in case of pure water. So if we take P naught minus P upon P naught is equal to mole fraction of solute. Now this can be equal to number of moles of solute upon number of mole of solvent.
So your video is paused.
Wait, children. There must be some network connectivity issue.
All right. So this much P naught minus P upon P naught. So we come to here also. All right. Now I have given you the formula for molality, that is W is equal to molality. W is equal to M into we have M dash W dash upon 1000. And I have told you to find it out this molality. The question has asked for the molality here. So now P naught minus P upon P naught. So P naught we have 760. P 750 upon 760 is equal to, we don't know two values now. Neither we know the mass of solute, nor we know the mass of solvent. So what we can do, I have given you this value, directly put it in that formula. Now this can be written as W upon M dash into M upon capital W. This is M dash, this is molecular mass of solute, this is molecular mass of solvent. We have already discussed all these. Now you can put this W, that is a mass of solute here. This will become M into M dash W dash into M upon M dash into W into 1000. All right. So this is M dash cancel. This capital W is the mass of the solvent. W dash in terms of molarity is also the mass of the solvent. Now 760, 750, this will become 1 by 760, 76, 10 upon 760. Now this is molecular mass of solvent, capital M, that is 18. 1 upon 76 is equal to M into 18 upon 1000. So 18M cross multiplication is equal to 1000 into M will be equal to 1000 divided by 18 into 76. Take. This will become What they have asked? It's a
0.7.
molality they have asked. Mole per kg. Or simply.
So it was coming 0.73.
Sir, it will be
They said 0.73.
0.7. Have the calculator. 0. I don't have the calculator here. 0.731. If it is coming, it's all right. Yes.
So how W dash and
W dash is the mass of the solvent when we talk about the molality. This is an abbreviation only.
okay, sir.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Because already we have the W here, so we have taken the W dash. And because when we were defining the molality to number of moles dissolvent, we have taken there the capital W. All right.
Yes, sir.
So we have not taken the capital W in terms of molality. We have taken W dash.
But it is the same as the formula only.
It is the same as the formula only. But we have put it directly. We know it this. We have put it there. Instead of first you solve it out, then do it. It is
Yes.
a formula, but you have to apply this. Now next we have to elevation of boiling point. The first qualitative properties 2.53 we have discussed. Now 2-3 more questions are there. It's a very easy one. 2.54 if you go through 2.54. Now in the question 2.54, the wave of pressure of pure benzene at a certain temperature is this. What is the molar mass of the solute? So it's an oral question now. You have practiced so much question, this question becomes an oral. Why? Because they have given both P naught and P. That will be equal to simply directly P naught P upon P naught P naught. I think they have given how much? 640 minus 600 upon 640. Number of moles of solute upon number of moles of solvent. W upon M dash upon capital W upon M. This will become 640, 600. That will become 40 upon 640 is equal to W upon M dash into M upon W. Now what we have to find it out, we have to find what is the molar mass. Molar mass is where? Molar mass of solute is this M dash. W they have given how much? They have given W 2.175. 2.175 upon M dash into molar mass of benzene, how much?
78.
78. Weight they have given 39 gram. 39 gram of benzene. So everything they become easy. 39 1, 39 2. This will become 0, 4, 1, 16. This will become 1 by 16.
69.6.
M dash will become 69.6. Molar mass है gram per mole. All right. So you have practiced so much questions, and now these questions they become oral, just like the oral questions only. You have a calculator, so it becomes hardly, it will take 1 minute to solve these questions. Now 2014, 2017, 2019, there was this question only, in this way only. Same pattern, same question, and same topic, molecular mass of a solute, generally molecular mass, because they have mentioned in this syllabus the relationship between the molecular mass and the relative lowering of vapor pressure. Then make a copy and do it out. Make a copy, I'm telling again and again, so that you will not worry at the last moment when we have to revise how it will happen. 2.55. 2.55, hurry up, find it fast. What weight of glucose? Done. 1700 gram water at 20 degree to lower its vapor pressure by 0.001 m. It means here, what weight of glucose? Again, how much glucose we will add to 1700 gram of water to lower its pressure by 0.001 mm. Same formula. They said that what weight we have, the vapor pressure of water, it means pure solvent we have 17 mm. And solution, it will reduce the vapor pressure by 0.001. So 17 minus 0.001, how much it will be? $16.999. Weight upon molecular mass W upon M. So this weight of solute, you have to find it out. W, you have to find it out. 17 gram of water. Glucose they have given, so glucose atomic mass, molecular mass, how much?
One
180 into 18 upon 1700, I think. Yes. You can solve this. 17 minus 16.999. So that will become what? 0.001 upon 17. $18. So 17W. This will come here 0.001 into 10 into 1700. W will become upon 17. This point will remove, so we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2,
The 1 gram.
3, 17 ones are 17 ones are 1 gram. What weight of glucose we have? We have the 1 gram. All right. Now the rest we have the numerical for molar elevation constant, 2.57. What about 2.56? Solve. solve it, make a copy, practice it. After the completion of this chapter, you have a test for the 2 chapter now. Solid state and solution. 20 marks question will be there, and practice it. You have the numericals also there. Now current of the
So you are not audible. The video has freezed.
to calculate the molecular mass of solute. Now 2.5, 6. So loss in weight of solution was 1.25 gram and that of water was 0.005 gram. Calculate the molecular mass of solute. There is a relationship between relative lowering of vapor pressure and loss in weight of the solvent and loss in weight of solution. You just directly put it in the formula so that you will get the relative lowering of vapor pressure first. All right. After getting the relative lowering of vapor pressure, rest you know, molecular mass of the solute you have to find, weight given, molecular mass of solvent given. So it means we have to find the relative lowering of vapor pressure. And whenever the solution, loss of solution and the loss of solvent in weight they have given, we have a relationship. And that relationship is what? That P naught minus P upon P naught minus P upon P naught, that will be is equal to loss in weight of solvent, that will be equal to loss in weight of solvent upon loss in weight of solvent plus loss in weight of solution. So this is a formula. Whenever there is a loss in weight of solution as well as loss in weight of the solvent, here the water is a solvent they have given in the question. So P naught minus P upon P naught, that is the relative lowering of vapor pressure, will be equal to loss in weight of solvent upon loss in weight of solvent plus loss in weight of solution. Now what they have given, so this value will become relative lowering of vapor pressure will become loss in weight of solvent, how much they have given, 0.005 plus 1.25. This will become 0.005 1.255. What will be the relative lowering of vapor pressure? Hurry up fast. Tell me how much it is coming.
0.004.
0.004.
4.
Zero point zero zero.
So 0.004. 0.
3.98.
3.9 it's
3.98 into
3.9.
10 to the power minus 3.
Okay. 0.00398. We got this. So what we have to calculate it here, that is calculate the molecular mass of a solute. So that's we will put in the relative loading of evaporation will be is equal to mole fraction of solute. So you put this here, so 0. This will become weight of solute what they have given. The weight of solute we have to find it. No, they have given 2.5 gram. 2.5 gram upon molecular mass of solute. Yes, we have to find molecular mass of water 18, and they have given 100. Solve it now.
130.
100.
13.
Is matching. 113.06. It is coming or not? Exactly 113 it is coming. 113.06 gram per mole is the answer. Put this value and find it out if it is coming or not. All right.